Meaning of heterozygous.
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 Heterozygous. Heterozygous refers to a type of genetic condition in which an organism carries two different alleles, or versions, of a particular gene. This can result in a range of outcomes depending on the specific gene and alleles involved. In some cases, one allele may be dominant over the other, resulting in the expression of only one phenotype. However, in other cases, both alleles may contribute to the overall phenotype through incomplete dominance or codominance. The heterozygous condition can impact various traits, including physical characteristics, behavior, and susceptibility to disease.